today I am going to be vlogging the entire day because we have such a cool day. Like, I am so excited for today. I am going for a brand event to Alibag, and this is like the first time like I'm going for a brand event outside Mumbai, and like we're all gonna go in the boat from Gateway, and it's gonna be really fun. And I also have to shoot there, so that's gonna be stressful. I hope I get all the shots right and all, because because it's gonna be like we have like not much time over there, and also because it's quite hot, so I hope that we can manage the heat. But I'm so excited. I'm going with the brand Love Beauty and Planet, and they are having an event there, and they have called a few of us, and I am excited to go for this because it sounds so interesting. So I thought I should vlog today because it'll be an interesting day, and y'all love to see like such days in my life where I'm doing stuff and where I'm doing new stuff and interesting things. I mean, anyone would like to watch that. So but an update that I have to give you all. My neck has gotten like a spasm, and it's been paining so badly. I've been doing like a hot and cold compress like the entire day to make me feel better, and I've also had like some medicine to like relax the pain, but it's been bad. I hope today like it doesn't pain more because I have such a long day and I have to do a lot, so I need to be well rested. I have worn my outfit. I have to like do my makeup now, eat something, and then leave. This is what I'm wearing, this green dress. I think it's very pretty, but I don't know if should I wear shoes like to be comfy. I think I might just end up wearing shoes, but I am fully ready and I'm gonna be leaving now. I've also added these green shades because they go with the green dress, and I also have my green bag. And there's too much noise. I am gonna leave. I don't want to be late, so let's go. We are in the cab on the way to Gateway. I don't know why, but this video is feeling like such a flashback of the Valentine's vlog. If you've not watched it, then go watch it, because that also we went on a boat, but we were just on the boat. Here also we are gonna go to Alibag and then also come back, so that's gonna be interesting. But hopefully when I reach everyone's there, because I don't want to wait a lot. It's too hot outside, so hot, and I'm also wondering how the day is gonna go by with so much heat. I'm gonna try to keep myself hydrated throughout the day, and that's why I've also like worn this very chill outfit so that there's no like garmi scenes. Though the brand had mandates, and I was like, I gave this and it got approved, thank God, because the other option was like a long full sleeve kind of dress, and I don't want to wear that. And I also got my matching green bag and this cutie clip, which is like so beach girl coded, and we're going to Alibag, so why not? And also like we're shooting for Love Beauty Planet, y'all know, and it's like a hair care brand, and thankfully today my hair is like feeling and looking so good, so that's a great plus point because I have to like show hair shots and like natural hair, so I love that. But going on the ferry, the hair always gets ruined because of the wind, so hopefully that doesn't happen, and maybe we can sit inside in the AC in the ferry. So I don't know how we are going, like are we going by a speedboat or are we going by a ferry? We will see. I'll also show you what all I have in my bag today because it's like a long day out. So my camera, my wallet, a power bank, then this Pixi On The Go blush to get some touch-ups, extra shades because Anushka asked me to get them for her and she forgot, so I'm carrying those, and a gloss. Wait, this Indie Wild lip balm, but this is like the glazed jalebi one, so it gives you kind of like a shine, so that's that. And my keys. Hi guys, so we have reached Gateway, and look who's with us, Anushka and Tanisha. And we are waiting. It's been a while now that I'm waiting.
And it's very hot.
And it's very hot.
She got me sunglasses.
Yes, I told in the vlog that I'm taking extra.
Thank you, this looks really pretty. I should just wear it.
This is our outfit.
It's so hot though.
But here the shade so good. Where I was standing outside, it was so hot and bad. Then I came there. No, like 2 minutes till I was figuring the gate when I messaged you.
And then that until was very bad.
But there are many people here, and I hope the ferry has AC. I don't
have AC, that's like
walking now towards the place. My makeup has literally come off. I think I need to do it again.
Have the bandwidth to vlog.
I have like made myself. I have like told myself that I need a video a week. So whenever I'm doing something, I will.
Then dedication. Then it's not about
So yeah, no, but they were telling me how do I vlog. I actually don't. Like I tried my best to. Jitna aaya utna.
but ठीक है.
Even if this is a short vlog, I don't mind.
Yeah, but at least you're there.
Yeah.
This motivation is what I am still lacking.
You post on. You are also very active on YouTube.
It's been 2 Saturdays that I haven't posted, and even this
Okay,
like
this Saturday chalo post.
But this it's going to come, and I have nothing. I thought I'll vlog today, but then I was so stressed that you have to capture everything today.
Yeah, I got my camera also, but now I'm like I'll just vlog on this because it's easy now.
Yeah.
Like who will keep changing?
But apart from that, look at it positively.
Yeah, na? People say that. But in the car, should be a 10-minute drive. Everyone's doing their touch-ups. Yeah, this vlog is going to be so difficult to edit because I'm doing thoda on camera. So that's all they do. That's never me. I always pick a side. Yeah. Today I am like...
There's so much to do.
Yeah.
You might as well.
I just redid my blush. Now it looks better. First I was looking like really bad.
No, she was not. Not at all. Not at all. First I was looking like.
Arey bhai, outside all of us are looking like something is happening to us.
That's the start. Let me think of that.
The makeup.
Oh my god. So much to die. Correct. But before this, we were looking so bad. Ever country.
There also we look bad only if it's like fully outdoors.
I don't think so now, but they have brought us here in an AC tent. They have brought us.
No, they are prepping us. They are giving us fan. They were giving us protein bar and all that.
With water.
This is the
Water.
yeah. The juice didn't taste good at all.
I really liked mine.
Which flavor?
Pomegranate.
Same. I didn't like it.
Loved it. Even Riddhi hated it.
Yeah, no. My vlog. Yeah.
रावण में लाख बुराइयां थी बट वो कभी व्लॉग
What the hell?
रावण में लाख बुराइयां थी पर 50 नहीं था
Bro, the light is too good, huh?
वो तेरा कवर मस्त है मैं अपने आप को देख सकता हूं
Yeah.
लाइक जस्ट सेल्फी लेता चल वो भी गुड एक्चुअली
Bye. Woohoo, here we are.
हेलो
We have reached and this is like a room where everyone's just getting ready, but now we're ready to shoot and this place is by the way so pretty, like everything looks so good. But let's begin. Thai curry by the way, and it's good but it tastes very healthy, like too healthy.
What?
I feel like I'm going to feel very sick in the boat because I'm burping so much.
Because you did not have any food.
I ate that
No,
Thai
that
curry and
wasn't
pasta,
really like adequate proportions.
but I want something.
I would like to drink something again,
Again
like a
for
juice
the
or
fifth or
something.
sixth time.
A juice, yes.
Yeah, sure, let's get it.
Only if they have the glasses.
We kept our glasses also.
I know, let's go get it.
Are done with the event. We have gotten a goodie bag and now we are leaving. Hi Devishree. Vlog continues. Where's your vlog? Chal. Vlog. What is it called? Vlog. Into vlog. Vlog. I don't know what is it called. You know what I mean, right? Yeah, I know. Vlog in vlog. Vlog. What's that Tarantino? No, what's that? Anushka, what is that called? When there's like a vlog into a vlog. When you show a vlog in a vlog, what is it called? Vlog. It's called. Yeah, no, like there's a word. Yeah, that's a. What? No, not editing rise. No, it's whatever. This is that. What's that movie?
जिसमें
Yes.
you know the movie I'm talking about, right? The Tiger
No.
movie or
Now I need to know this word.
guys, what is that thing called? Vlog in a vlog.
Like a vlog and
I'm showing
another
my vlog
vlog.
in her vlog.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
wait.
Yeah, we are trying to remember
Wait.
for 10 minutes.
Yeah. Ask the question.
What?
What do you
It's
call
not a
that
question.
vlog in a
You know, there's a vlog and someone else's vlog comes as a word. It's
like,
a
you know,
vlog.
I'm vlogging and I'm showing her vlog in my vlog.
Maybe it's just called a vlog, you know.
No, it is. There's a word for it. There's like a
Cross
vlog.
vlogging.
No. Ah! Yeah.
Vlogception
Vlogception.
or something like that. Yeah.
Made up.
It is vloginception.
I don't know. And then you are recording her in the phone and then crazy hair stuff.
You see Tanisha's hair and see Tanisha's hair.
Princess. Show my head, my vlog.
I'm gonna be ending the vlog right here. I need to start editing it. Tomorrow is Saturday and I already have a long day and I'm not gonna be getting time to edit this tomorrow. I have a shoot, so that's not gonna be happening. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. It was a really cool vlog. Like, I went to Alibag for a brand shoot and I actually feel so grateful to get these opportunities where I can like do such fun things, and that is a part of my work, though it does get tiring at times and it is like it is stressful, but it's also so much fun and I just feel grateful that I get to do this and show this to you all. So yeah, and I will see you next week.